Hello, I am Igazen from Creative Click, and today we will be taking a look at Crocodile Dentist. So, Crocodile Dentist is a game first published by Milton Bradley in 1990. A smaller travel version of the game was released in 1993 and currently being produced by Winning Moves. The game was the brainchild of Robert B. Furrer, who later created Gator Golf and many other toys and games. The goal of the game is to extract the plastic teeth from a crocodile toy's mouth by pulling them out with plastic pliers. If the sore tooth is pulled, the mouth will snap shut and lunge toward whoever pulled the sore tooth, and the player who caused the mouth to shut is the loser. The travel version of the Crocodile Dentist features slightly different gameplay, which is the one that we will be taking a look at, where instead of pulling the teeth out of the crocodile's mouth, the players had to push the crocodile's teeth down into its gum. This objective would be used in future versions of the full-size game. Crocodile Dentist went through several changes during its developmental phases. Furrer and his technicians were told to tweak the length and the speed of the crocodile's lunging motion so that the toy would not cause eye injuries. Furrer also added a pair of plastic pliers to quell fears that children would hurt their fingers. However, game testers later thought that the toy lacked excitement, and though the pliers remain in the final product, Furrer restored the original lunging motion. Crocodile Dentist was one of the best-selling games of the 1991 Christmas season and remained a high seller afterwards. Several commentators listed the product as one of the strangest new toys available. What kind of mind came up with this game? Asked the York Daily Record's Mike Argento, who included it in his 1992 Bizzare Toy Awards. 12 years later, however, Argento admitted that the game had passed into classic status. The success of Crocodile Dentist led Robert Furrer to design several other crocodile-themed games. One of those, Crocodile Golf, became the popular Gator Golf. And now we will be taking a look at this Crocodile Dentist. Push down the tooth, nothing happened. Push down the sore tooth, well...
You said an unlucky guy. Look at him.
Flawless victory. Fatality.
Okay, so here's my Crocodile Dentist. I got it from quite a few years back. As you can see, that the box is, kind of old and all broken and stuff. I haven't played with it for some times now. I think the crocodile is still broken. Yeah. As you can see, the mouth doesn't really open up anymore. I'm beginning to look into fixing it, but I just don't have the time anymore. But I'm gonna let you guys look at some of the footage of me playing with this bad boy, and maybe I'll fix it sometimes in the future. And also, this is not the original version of the Crocodile Dentist, as this is only the travel version, as it doesn't come with pliers and you need to push down the tooth to really find the sore tooth. So yeah, I'll let you guys see me and maybe Chilly playing with Crocodile Dentist.
Hi everybody, I'm Chilly from Creative Click.
Yeah, today Chilly and I will be playing this Crocodile Dentist. So let's see how we do.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Okay, let's mess with this bad boy. You go first.
Okay, go first. Number 6.
Yeah. I need people to see this.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Oh wait. We got pretty far now. We got pretty far. Don't you think?
Not this one. Yeah.
Okay, there's only 4 tooth left.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's take out. It's not this one. I'm gonna lose it.
There's only 2 left. Okay.
Yes.
Maybe you guys need to see this because
See this moment.
there's only 2 left. See.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh yes. There's only 1 left for Chilly. There's only 1 left for Chilly.
I'm gonna do it quick. Yeah!
Okay, we're done now.
Yeah.
Because that last one was so intense, we decided to do it again. So this time Chilly will go first.
I always go first.
Okay, that was some first.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Another
Okay,
one.
Another one.
Yes.
I can lose like that.
Do it. Do something. Do something.
I use my face. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Too fast. Now turn. Yeah. I really like it. Yeah, you have to pay. Yeah, I love you, my Mr. Croc. Yeah.
So that was me and Chilly playing Crocodile Dentist.
Did you enjoy this video?
If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow us on Twitter, me at Igazen and
Me, Chilly, Click.
I'm Igazen from Creative Click,
And I'm Chilly from Creative Click.
and we will see you soon.
Bye guys.